Hi everybody, welcome to this introduction to two-dimensional arrays in Python. We're going to be looking at a set of data and how to store this data in a two-dimensional array. Of course, what we could do is store each set of data, there's one set, there's another set, there's another set, as individual arrays. For example, set 1 would be equal to an individual array 3, 2, 1. So that's that set of data there. We could do set 2 equals an array 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, etc., etc., etc. So we could store all of this data using one-dimensional arrays and then write some code to process the data stored in those arrays. That's fine, but when you're trying to, for example, add up all of the numbers to create a total, things start to get a little bit tricky because each of the arrays has its own identifier. So I'd have to do something like this. For I in range 3, total equals total plus set 1 I. Okay. Total equals total plus set 2 I. And then total equals total plus set 3 I, which is manageable and it's fine. Let's just see if that works. We're going to print the total and let's just run that and see if it works. 25. The answer is 25. Well, that's 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 7 is 25. So we do get the right answer. But what if we've got many sets of data? We're going to have to write a lot of code to find the total of this set. Wouldn't it be better if this set of data just had one identifier? And then it would be much easier to process. So let's have a look at that. I'm just going to call my array, I'm going to call it dataset, and I'm going to tell you it is an array of arrays. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. And here is the final one. Because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 rows in this two-dimensional array, and each row is an array. This array stores 3, 2, 1. This array stores 0, 2, 4. This array stores 3, 3, 7. This array stores 5, 1, 2. And this array stores 1, 0, 1. We've now stored all of the data in a single data structure. It's a two-dimensional array. It's an array of arrays. This is row 0, and this is column 0. So if I do this, print dataset row 0, column 0, let's see what we get. 3. Okay? Row 0, which is this row, column 0, which is this column, is 3. The element, row 0, column 0, is 3. Okay? Row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. This is row 4. So let's do row 4, column, this is column 0, this is column 1, and this is column 2. Let's do 4, 2. Hopefully the answer will be 1. Let's just make that a unique number. Let's make it 13. Just so we can be sure. And there we have it. Okay? So the rows start with an index of 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the columns start with an index of 0, 1, and 2. And this means the row number first, followed by the column number.